Yeah, unless you have some type of health issue, there's really not that much to be worried about. I mean, if you can exercise and you can sweat, I mean, you don't die. I don't think. Not a doctor, not medical advice. Please see a licensed medical physician for anything that is regarding what I'm about to say. It's just heat therapy. So it's no different than going to the beach and exercising. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff to look out for. We covered that in other videos, like make sure there's not formaldehyde. Make sure there's not off-gassing that's crazy that you're gonna breathe in. Make sure it's not a super high EMF sauna. There's some older saunas that are 100 milligauss AC magnetic field right at your head. They have a unshielded ceramic heater that's right behind your back, so you're sitting 2 or 3 inches from it. And there's no step-down transformer in the sauna. It's literally AC wiring directly from the wall, 20-30 amp, directly to the heater, directly from your back, which is basically like, you know, you're supposed to be relaxing in front of a power panel. Not ideal to be doing that every day for the next 10 years. Like, it's not the most healing environment. Yeah, I mean, those are specific. Ceramic style heater, AC powered, direct connect, no step down transformer. There's a couple companies, one of them is out of Canada that used to build those. I think they still build them like that, but I mean, whatever. I think people are tired of me beating the EMF thing to death.
Yeah, we're all tired of it.
So if there's something that you like from today's video or you're looking for more resources, at certifiedsaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to certifiedsaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is a certified sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.